Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing a paddleboard by a company called FunWater. This is actually called the TIKI board. I'm just going to show you the contents that comes in. This is the phone holder, waterproof cover, goes around your neck. This is your safety bungee, goes around your ankle. Here we have a manual pump. I do recommend that you get a car pump because it can be quite hard to pump one of these up. This is the pump, it goes in the front here, push down, and twist. These are the fins, they go on the back, they'll attach to the bottom, so they kind of give you a bit of mobility, so it gives you extra steering and stuff like that. The fins are easily installed. Just put them through here, push them to the end. You got a little clip here, make sure that this piece there is sticking up. Goes in through down there, little hole. It goes through the other side. You need a click. It's nice and secure. We've also got the actual paddle. You'll be putting the two together. Little ball bearing sticking out there. And you can also adjust it with a quick release. It also comes with the bag as well, so you don't have to carry this box everywhere. Everything fits in the bag. It's not too heavy. Everything fits in the back. And last but not least, the actual TIKI paddleboard. I highly recommend this board because it's an ideal entry level. It's nice and wide, which means you get better mobility and it's easier to stand on, or you can just be on your knees, or you can simply be on your back, on your bum, or have your legs in the water. That concludes the video for my unboxing. Thank you for watching.